So basically, this video is about how to make an aesthetic thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Let's get on with the video. Let's go. The first step is to find an aesthetic background for your thumbnail. I'm gonna search aesthetic wallpaper. Oh, these are cute. I'm gonna pick a pastel. Oh, these are so cute. This one. Gonna add photos. Now let's go to PICSART. Opening PICSART. PICSART me awesome. So this was my intro earlier. Gonna click. Wait, what? I didn't know I had the other one. I'm just gonna pick what I saved. Go to tools, crop, go to this, here, YouTube. Then I'm gonna include the stars, of course. Apply. Then go to text. Then put the topic of your video. Example like how to make an aesthetic. Wait, I'm gonna delete aesthetic. How to make an what font? I think this one. This is cute. Oh, you can't read that. Sorry, Yara woke up. Oh, that's kind of cute. I'm gonna that. How to make an, then click text, then caps lock, then aesthetic. Oh, can't read it. I'm gonna just change the font to let's pick a cute font. How about this or this? I think this is more aesthetic-y. Go to color here, down here beside, then pick the color you want. I'm gonna go with the same color inside, and the stroke I'm gonna go with the same color as well. I'm gonna make the aesthetic word bigger. I'm gonna leave spaces on the side like that. Then click text again. Then thumbnail for your YouTube videos and exclamation mark. There. Now I'm gonna like that, yeah. Then go to color again and click the same color if you want. I want to have still the same color. Oh, you can read it. Wait, did I say YouTube video? Oh wait, yeah, that's great. That's cool. That's okay. Should have put it in the middle or the side. Okay, that's cute. Okay, let's go to sticker and pick aesthetic-y sticker. What happened? My keyboard hung. Okay. aesthetic. Let's see if we can see something aesthetic here. Oh, this one is so aesthetic. Where should I put it? Oh, I know it's gonna be like an underline. Let me just duplicate it. Like that. That and that. If you want to know where I found the duplicate button, it's right up here, the two squares there, and just click it and click duplicate beside move down. And that's cute. That's super cute. Now let's see if we can find more aesthetic-y stickers. Oh, I want like a shimmering. I want it to shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Shimmer there, shimmer here, shimmer everywhere. Wait, the shimmer is too big. Let's just apply that. Click apply. Then I think there's a like, oof, wrong button. Then I think there's a like what do you call that? Just something shimmery in the brushes down there beside the fit and border. I did. Between the fit and border, just click the brushes. Then it's loading, and here it is. Here is the shimmering like that. Ooh, oof. Let's undo it. I'm just gonna zoom in with 2 fingers and click there and click just random spaces in the letters. Oof. Like that. And of course here, many here. Like that. Just click in random places in the words, and let's go on the top. Drag it with 2 fingers, because if you drag it with 1 finger, it's gonna be like this. You'll just add more and more. If you want to see where is the undo button, here it is. Here it is on the left side, and on the right side is the redo button. Wait, what did I just say? I'm just gonna confirm it that on the left side is the undo button, and on the right side is the redo button. There we go. That's cute. This what I'm making right now is actually the thumbnail for this video. So yeah. Sorry, there's like cars. I'm gonna add more. There we go. Should I like hearts or leaves? Wait, why is there a rainbow? Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna add that. Yeah, that's at least I made a perfect like rainbow shape. Or let me just undo it and make the size bigger. That, and just, if you want to know how like the opacity and size appeared, just just click again on that like, I don't know what it's called. Just click on the sticker, sticker from the brush again, like that, and just you can adjust the size like that and the opacity. And if you want it to disappear, just click again and boom. Okay. Now let's do like that. Oh yeah, that's good. That's great. That's so aesthetic. Yeah. So like that's it, I think. Should we add more, or that's just enough already? Should I add clouds? Oof, I need big clouds. I need big clouds. Oof, don't put it like that. Just gonna put clouds on. Yeah, so let's click apply. Then boom, you have your aesthetic thumbnail. If you want more kinds of these videos, just comment down below. I just saved it by clicking this button here. There, just click it. I just clicked it earlier, so it's unavailable now because I haven't made more changes after I clicked the save button. It's now disabled because I saved it already. Here on the top beside the redo button.
Hello. Yo. I have down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No. Strawberry